Hi, I'm Noble Black with Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 20 East 10th Street, one of the most beautifully renovated homes in all of Greenwich Village. But before we go inside, let's note one of the most special things about this home, its location. This block is one of the most perfect in all of the village. It's like time stood still for a century. Let's go inside and take a look. Built in the 1860s, this 25-foot wide townhouse marries the best of classic New York and contemporary style. Spread over 5 floors, the home is almost 7,500 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 7 wood-burning fireplaces, and a gorgeous garden. Oh, and fun fact about this home, it was previously owned by Sarah Jessica Parker. It doesn't get much more New York than that, does it? The parlor floor is defined by its scale and light. It includes a grand dining room and the spectacular living room. The first thing you notice are the 13-foot ceilings with beautifully restored moldings and medallions. There's wide plank oak floors and huge picture windows. And for ease of entertaining, there's a handsome wet bar, the perfect place to grab a drink before heading outside. And I didn't even mention this lavish marble mantle. But this is a living room that doesn't take itself too seriously. It's meant for entertaining. I love a grand dining room, and this one certainly fits the bill. It's equally at home whether you're having a casual takeout dinner or a more formal affair for 20 or 30. The restrained decor here really highlights the original details, like these gorgeous moldings and medallions. For more formal affairs, these pocket doors are great to separate the dining from the living. Light a fire in the winter, open these French doors in the summer. This is a dining room for all seasons. This is one of the nicest kitchens you will ever see, as sleek and modern as it is functional, with only the best appliances integrated into the millwork. In contrast with the warm, white oak flooring upstairs, the kitchen utilizes this beautiful terrazzo. Check out the fluting and the cabinetry of this dramatic, oversized kitchen island. Proof yet again why this home is such a designer's delight. The kitchen is large enough to accommodate this dining area, which sits against a wall of windows which open onto the beautiful garden. This manicured garden is your private oasis in the city no matter what time of year. It's south-facing, which means it gets incredible light. And these plantings are thoughtfully designed, so there's always something blooming. And just listen. We're in the middle of Manhattan, and all you can hear are the birds sing. The second floor has 3 ensuite bedrooms and a den, but it's the 3rd floor primary that's going to really blow you away. This dreamy primary suite occupies the entire 3rd floor. The owner kept a minimalist design palette in order to maximize the sense of serenity. Here we have another wood-burning fireplace, a wall of closets, and southern exposures. And because it's facing the garden, those birds you heard chirping, you can enjoy from your own private terrace. The perfect place for morning coffee or a nightcap. The primary bath is the epitome of indulgence. Here, you can luxuriate in your deep soaking tub, enjoy the double shower, or dry off by your wood-burning fireplace. There's even a windowed dressing room worthy of Carrie Bradshaw. This takes downtown New York living to a whole different level. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this extraordinary townhouse on the Gold Coast of Greenwich Village. It's a luxurious piece of the past that's been completely transformed for today's living.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.